Assalamu alaikum. Let's open up our math practice workbooks to page 94. And you guys are going to love today's lesson because it involves being super duper creative. Raise your hand if you like to be super duper creative. My hand's in the air. I know you can't see it, but I love being creative. So today we're going to talk about addition, which is spelled A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Addition. We know what addition is. Addition means we add something. And one of our favorite things to do in class was subtraction, wasn't it? We skipped over addition and we went right to subtraction because I have little munchkins in class that like to subtract snacks by putting them in their little tummies, don't I? So you guys know all about addition and subtraction because we've worked with those already. So this is going to be a breeze for you guys, inshallah. So let's take a look here at these addition problems. What we're going to do is we're going to tell a story about each line. For example, I'm going to tell a story. Once upon a time, there was a family of skunks. There was Uncle Skunk, Auntie Skunk, Cousin Skunk, and little baby skunk. And they were walking through the forest, trying to find a little place to lie down and take a nap. And there in total were 1, 2, 3, 4 skunks. So over here, I'm going to write the number 4. And you see what I did? I told a story about them. I named this one Uncle Skunk. This one Auntie Skunk. This one was Cousin Skunk. And that's wee little baby skunk. And then I added them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I put that number here. Now what your assignment is going to be is you are going to use your own creativity. And you're going to tell a story about these squirrels, about these little meerkats, and about these little bunnies. Remember, there's no right or wrong story. It's all about your creativity. And what you're going to do is you're going to add them up, the whole row across, and then you're going to add your numbers right here. That's going to be so much fun. When you're done doing that, we're going to go on over to page 95. And we are going to look at these lines. I see little raccoons, I see little possums, I see little chickies, and I see ducks. Now what we're going to do on page 95 is pretty much the same thing that we did on page 94, except for the fact that let's make an observation. Every number that we're adding over here is the same. I want you guys to look just over here. It's all the same, isn't it? They're all 1. So whatever number's over here, these may be different, but the number we're adding to it is the same, and it's all 1. 1 raccoon, 1 possum, 1 ducky, or excuse me, 1 chick, and then 1 ducky. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to tell a story. Again, I'm going to do number 1 as an example for you. Once upon a time, in the beautiful woods, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 raccoons. And the 5 raccoons were so very thirsty because they had been chasing after squirrels the whole morning. So they decided to stop and have a delicious drink of water from the cool, clear stream. In total, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skunks. And then I'm going to write the number 5 over here. Now you're going to do the same thing. You're going to say your story out loud, and then you're going to count them and write the number right here. You guys are so creative. There's going to be so many good stories.